How to open an Emirates NBD account online. Did you know that if you transfer your salary to this account, you don't have to maintain a minimum balance and you won't be charged any monthly fees and charges? This is like a dream come true for most of us low-income earners. So without wasting any time, let us begin by downloading the ENBDX application from the Google or Play Store. Opening this account is very easy and I'm going to show you how to do it in a few easy steps. Once the download is done, open the ENBDX application. You will see this prompt, either to log in into an already existing account or to open a new account. So, click on Open New Account, and once that is done, here are a few important things. You will need your Emirates ID and a copy of your passport. You don't need the original passport. You must be 21 years of age and above. You also need to capture your selfie. If your salary is less than 5,000, stick around. I'll show you later how to go about this. For now, let's click Get Started. Input your mobile number plus your email address, scroll down and then tick the terms and services, and then click Continue in order for us to verify. After putting the OTP number sent to your mobile, go ahead and click Done again. Do the same thing for the email. Remember, this email will be attached to your account. And now here you have to choose whether you want to open a current or a savings account. I prefer to go with the standard current account, but if you need a savings account, do it by checking any of these boxes which is opposite to the account you want to open. Click Next in order to go to the next step where you have to input your employment details. Select whether you employed or you self-employed. Let me choose the first option and then input your monthly salary and click Next. If you have any questions so far, feel free to let me know in the comments. So go ahead and read through the terms and conditions of this service. Then slide this button to go to the next step. Basically, here you have to enter your personal information, like your country of birth. You can use the search bar and input your country, okay? Also input your place of birth, which should be accurate information. Go ahead and input your country of residence. Select United Arab Emirates. Input your marital status and then click Continue in order for you to start the verification process. Get your Emirates ID ready, plus your passport copy, and again click Continue. After scanning the front side and the back side of your ID, the system will process your Emirates ID. And once that is done, you will be required to either scan your passport copy or upload a photo of your passport copy. And then go ahead, click Continue. As you can see, we have scanned our passport, we have scanned our Emirates ID. Now it's time to submit our selfie video. Once that is done, we can move to the next step. Select the emirate where you stay. Let me select Abu Dhabi. Input other information like the area where you stay, your building number or the villa number. Also put the PO box number. And when you're done, go ahead and click Continue to go to the next step. Here, as you can see, as per the information on your Emirates ID, your job title will be revealed. Your company name will also be revealed. So you have the option to choose between transferring your salary to this new account you're opening. If you chose to go with this option, you will not be required to maintain a minimum balance and you will not be charged any fees. But if you don't choose to transfer your salary to this account, you have to maintain a minimum amount of 3,000, okay, to avoid extra charges. Once your balance goes below this, you'll be charged 30 dirhams, so keep that in mind. I'm not willing to transfer my salary to the ENBD account, so I'll go with the other option. I'll put my salary, monthly salary, and then click continue. You will be asked a few questions about tax declaration, so it's better you leave that as it is and then move to the next step. Here you have to write the names you want to appear on your bank or debit card. Okay, so it's better you write the names as they appear on your Emirates ID. Remember to subscribe to our channel and then slide this button down here to confirm. And this is how you open up your Emirates ENBD account online. Set a password you're going to use to manage your mobile banking app, and you will most likely receive your debit card 2 days after your account application has been approved. Congratulations.